Ya, terima kasih. Pertama-tama saya minta maaf kepada para supporter yang sudah datang di pertandingan hari ini. Tapi saya mewakili seluruh pemain. Hari ini kita sudah kerja keras, tapi ya
datang di sesi kedua PostMatch Conference BRI Liga 1, pertandingan urutan ke-25 antara tuan rumah PSM Makassar melawan tim kami Poin.
Selamat malam. First of all, I want to say terima kasih to the supporters that come to the stadium and make a fantastic environment. About the game, in my opinion, we have more goal attempts, more shoots to the goal than Bali. Also, we have more corners, more than double them. Also, we have more possession ball, but I don't care about possession ball. I prefer to get more chances. I think this match we have unlucky because on the warm-up Adilson get injured, so we must make another plan. And some players also are injured on Makassar. But this was the opportunity for other players can have opportunity to play. Now we're going to play on 28. We need to try to recover quickly the players that we have to see who's available and in the best conditions to play on 28.
Ya, terima kasih. Pertama-tama saya minta maaf kepada para supporter yang sudah datang di pertandingan hari ini. Tapi saya mewakili seluruh pemain. Hari ini kita sudah kerja keras, tapi ya kita tahu sendiri kita belum bisa menghasilkan hasil yang maksimal ini. Itu aja sih.
We not consider the goal. We can see 42 sides. It's true that we not score a goal, but we create more goal attempts. We have more ball than the opponent team. Unfortunately, the goalkeeper make good saves, and sometimes the accuracy was not so good. This is football. We are not happy because we not win and we work to win, but the players work hard, and we have a plan for this match, and we must change the plan on 5-6 minutes when we have a player that on warm-up get injured. This is not any excuse, but these things sometimes get influence on the players, on the focus, on everything. I am happy with the sacrifice that some players make, because we make some substitutions because the players cannot make more, and also some of them come a little injured. We hope that they can recover. Of course, we want to win. We want to give 3 points for our supporters that come. We cannot, but this is the football. In the other side also was a team that all the time stopped the game with foul. And when we see the referee allow this situation, it's impossible, because if you're going to see there are players that make fun with the referee and not give yellow card, the second yellow card, and if it was opposite side, maybe give quickly, but it's not an excuse. If we had chances, if you get a little more accuracy, maybe we can score. I think maybe it can give more time, because the game was too much time stop, and the supporter come to the stadium to see the game. It's not to see the players losing time. But okay, if this is the rules, not the referee. If we just know this, we must accept. I cannot make anything more.